Okay, so I'm making a mess and I wanted to just kind of talk through, I guess, the idea for my final project for my printing class. Basically, what I've done is I've made five small stamps using really simple geometric designs. And the idea is that these designs can be combined in different ways to make different geometric patterns and to kind of, I guess, style the fabric in a different way. These were all carved like intuitively. I really didn't have lines drawn out. I knew that I wanted ones that were relatively straight, ones that were rounded, and then ones that were curved. And then for this one, I've actually also saved the cutouts, which are thick enough to roll ink on and then can also be printed. So it's actually more like 6 different kind of stamps. So basically I've already done just some simple combinations, so each one and then different combinations of them together, which I think is super interesting. And then now what I'm doing is I'm putting them on fabric. So again, this is like super intuitive. This is not, I haven't planned this out. I don't know, like it's not pre thought out in terms of design. It's just kind of whichever stamp comes to me, and like I just knew I wanted to start with the kind of half bullseye in the middle. So it's not exactly symmetrical. That doesn't bother me. These are square stamps, so squares are their own shape. And so basically what I'm going to do is once this is all printed, I'm going to then fold this and make it into a pouch. And then I'm using words that start with the letter T. So I have 3 pouches that I'm going to make and 3 words that are going to go with them. And the words are trinkets, tools, and treasures. And so I've already printed out one that's going to be the trinkets bag. And I think that that's going to be super cute. So it's going to be kind of sewn on, not to this bag, but to a different bag. I'm also using different fabrics for the bases. So I'm waiting for the eco-dyed fabrics for the next bag. I already have a fabric that I'm using for the previous bag. Actually, it's 7 stamps using this stamp repeated in different ways. And then, so after this, I'll have one more fabric to stamp, and then I'm planning on just kind of using I guess all of the paper ones that I've done just for fun as inspiration, and then we'll see how these guys turn out once they're sewn together.